To change this battery, first we'll need to take out this key right there. Behind you notice there's that button. All we have to do is just slide it upwards and then pull out the key. Once the key is taken out, now we'll keep the logo portion at the top and the other button portion like that stays at the bottom. And I'm going to use a screwdriver like this. This is the spot where we took out the key from, and this is the location where we will punch in the screwdriver and then slightly tilt the screwdriver. There it is. Once the top cover is pulled out, we'll keep the bottom portion aside, and right there is our battery behind. Using the similar screwdriver, I'll pull out the battery. And that is how we take out the battery for this remote. Notice it is a CR2032 type battery. My battery is good, I'll be installing it back. In case you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign right there stays at the bottom like this. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the battery inside just like that. Once in position, then we will press it down. There it is, the battery is completely in. Now we'll punch in the cover with the logo on top of the bottom cover. We'll make sure it is completely aligned from all over the edges. It seems like it is. Now we'll just press it down. Seems like it is in from all over the edges. We'll go ahead and slide in the key where we took it out from earlier. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.